Today I'm going to show you how to change a taillight on your Toyota Highlander. So here I've got cheap taillight bulbs that I got on Amazon. I'll show you exactly which ones that I got in the link below. Check them out. So here's what you do. We're going to open up the back gate. And then we're going to come in here. This is the little compartment that you need to get into. We're just going to pop that down. You're going to see that there's a couple cables in here. We know that it's the bottom cable, and we're just going to reach our hand in and go back to the tail light. Reach your hand in, go back to the tail light, and untwist. All you got to do is twist a quarter turn. And here it is. Here's the burnout bulb. All it takes is pulling out. That's it. Old bulb. Here's the new bulb. Okay, all we're gonna do, the same way we just took that other one out, we're gonna put this one in. There is no right or wrong way that you can put it in. Pop it in, slide it back in. A quarter turn, you're gonna hear a pop. It's that easy. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my lovely assistant to go apply the brakes for me. Go ahead. Perfect, works great. We're gonna pop the cover back on just like we popped it off. There's one done, we're gonna do the other side. Here's the other side. Same thing, we're gonna reach our hand in, find the bulb, quarter turn, pop it out. There it is. This one's not bad, but we're still gonna replace it. Quarter turn, hear the pop, feel the pop. Replace the cover. Test it, and we're good to go. It's as easy as that. If I can replace the bulbs in my taillights, so can you. Just with this silly flathead screwdriver. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it.